Hi guys, David Wynn here, August University. Just want to give you guys a quick video about, some people are basically having a hard time getting views on their videos, right? I happen to be an affiliate marketer, digital marketer in this space, and I do a lot of review type videos, right? So I'm always looking to get my videos and content on the first page of YouTube and hopefully the first page of Google, right? When you find it, so that I can get more views and hopefully make more sales and just get more authority in the space and just get more eyes on it, because the more eyes, the better, right? My channel is not crazy when it comes to subscribers or anything like that. It's something I'm forever working on. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel as well if you don't already, if you're not already subscribed. I appreciate it. But I just want to talk about some things that help me get on, the front page of YouTube. So step one, I'm going to recommend a ninja tool that I use every single time when I'm trying to get a video ranked. I use this program called TubeBuddy. Okay, so TubeBuddy is super amazing, and it allows you to find different keywords and tags that will boost up your video, and so you can put the right tags in and the right descriptions in so that you can rank. Okay, so you can spy on your competition, find out what they're using, look at who's number one, who's number two, and rank where they are or even above and beyond where they are. Okay, it just really helps. So you can use TubeBuddy. There is a monthly fee. There's different levels, but it's not too costly. And if you guys are interested in this, there's going to be a link below to get into TubeBuddy. But this has helped me make thousands of dollars online. One of my mentors showed me this, and it's just a tool that allows you to quickly and easily edit tags, descriptions, titles on the go, even if I'm out and about in my vehicle, on the go at a coffee shop and don't have my computer or anything around with me, just my phone. I'm able to kind of find these tags and then paste them into my descriptions and videos so that I can rank while I'm on the go, right? This will get more eyes on it. And if you're an affiliate marketer and you're promoting a product, that will get more people clicking on your links, that will get more people looking to take action on your videos, right? You want to, as a publisher, as someone that's producing content, you want to get as much eyes on your content as possible, which will lead to more sales. If you're an affiliate marketer, you can use this to rank high quality products, like, high ticket products that make you $500, $200, $300 a sale. So definitely take advantage of that. It's called TubeBuddy. I'm going to have the link in the description below. Another tool that I like is, one of the most vital things that you have when it comes to content is the first thing people see is your thumbnail. So if you just have a generic thumbnail that's automatically created from YouTube, let's just say I'm recording a video right now, I'm like, that's cool, right? So let's just say I'm talking like this. YouTube automatically finds a still out of your video and it's gonna look crappy, okay? Let's just be honest, it's gonna look crappy. And that's not gonna get attention when people are scrolling down the video list, all right? So what you wanna do is make sure you have a super amazing thumbnail that's gonna be eye-catching, okay? Try to have some bold text in there, but nothing too complicated, but something that will draw in the attention that makes people take action, okay? So as you probably noticed in my most recent videos, I have a lot of eye-catching thumbnails, right? And they're very similar to each other for every video. So I kind of have like a theme, right? You don't have to have a theme for every single one of your videos. Just make sure that they're eye-catching and get people's attention, right? Because you want to be the one that people want to click on when they're scrolling through Google, scrolling through YouTube, right? So one product that helps me do that is Thumbnail Blaster, right? So it's super low cost, but it allows you to have templates and that you can easily edit and are quickly eye-catching so that you can get more views, right? This has helped me significantly. It's gonna help you guys as well. And this, once again, will help you rank on YouTube as well. So if you guys are interested in getting Thumbnail Blaster, the link's gonna be below as well. And I'll have a special pricing for you guys there if you decide to get in. Now for those that are looking to get a thumbnail and kind of do it on their own without any cost involved, you can definitely get a website, go on a website called Canva and kind of customize your own thumbnails, which will work as well. I just find Thumbnail Blaster kind of goes above and beyond when it comes to graphics and things like that. It's just a little bit extra, a little faster. You don't have to do any too much designing or anything like that, okay? So hopefully this was helpful to you guys to rank your videos a little bit better on YouTube. If you're just getting started, if you need some tips or have any questions, just comment below. And I'm also doing some consulting when it comes to building up your own personal brand, or learning how to get started in affiliate marketing. So if you guys are interested in the coaching aspect of that, I do offer consulting. I'm gonna have my email below, or you can just comment, say, hey, I would like to do some coaching, how do I get in touch with you? Then I'll send you my information. All right, so hopefully this was helpful for you guys. You guys have a beautiful day. Make sure you get one piece of content out today. Challenge yourself. It doesn't have to look amazing. Just get it out there. Just do it. Find a topic and then do it. Take action. And I appreciate you guys. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And love you guys. And I'll see you in the next one.